Oh no, the board says delayed. Again.
Good morning, Tom. You look unhappy.
Hi, Maya. Yes. The train is late. Very late.
How long?
I don't know. 10 minutes? 30 minutes? Maybe more.
That's annoying.
Yes. I hate waiting. I always feel stressed when I wait
Why?
because I think about be late for work, for meetings, and all the deadlines.
I see.
I usually listen to music when I wait, but my headphones are at home.
So, no music today?
No music, no phone games, nothing.
Then just breathe. Look around.
Look around?
Yes, the station is full of life.
I never look at the station.
Because you always look at your phone. Today, your phone is in your pocket, so your eyes are free.
That's true. Look at that man over there. The man with the blue jacket. He is walking very fast.
Yes, he looks nervous.
Maybe he is late.
Or maybe he doesn't like waiting.
I understand that feeling. Oh, that woman is standing very still.
Yes, she's reading a book.
A real book, paper pages.
Yes, no screen.
She looks calm.
Reading helps people slow down.
I should read more. Oh, that couple is arguing.
Their faces look tense,
Maybe they missed their train.
or maybe they are tired.
Waiting makes emotions stronger.
Yes, we feel more when we stop moving.
I like to imagine people's stories.
Me too. Everyone here has a different life.
So many faces, so many stories.
Yes, a station is like a small world.
I never thought about that.
Because you were busy scrolling.
Scrolling and missing everything. Watching people feels interesting.
And calming.
Yes, I feel less stressed.
Because you are present.
Present?
Here, now. Not inside your phone. The train is delayed. Why don't we get coffee?
Coffee sounds good.
What do you want?
A small coffee. No sugar.
I'll get tea and a bread.
This cafe feels very cozy.
Yes, warm, quiet, and comfortable.
I like the smell here.
Coffee and fresh bread.
It smells like morning. The taste is strong.
Strong, but smooth.
Yes, it wakes me up.
Coffee is good for slow mornings.
And the bread looks good.
Fresh bread and butter.
My favorite. The light from the window is nice.
Morning light is gentle.
It makes everything look calm.
Yes, it's a good start to the day.
I usually eat fast. I think about work.
And now,
Now I think about this bread. The coffee feels warm in my hands.
warm hands, calm mind.
I like that idea. I feel full, but in a good way.
Breakfast should be like that.
I see people smiling.
Good food helps people smile.
And talking helps too.
Yes, sharing breakfast is nice.
I don't feel stressed anymore. I feel relaxed.
Food, warmth, and quiet help.
I'm always in a hurry. I feel like I must do something all the time.
But now,
Now, I'm just sitting, and it feels okay. It's relaxing. I forget to slow down.
let's go back. Maybe the train is here.
Oh, the board changed. Arriving in 2 minutes. Funny.
Why funny?
I was angry before. Now I feel fine.
Because you stopped rushing.
I learned something today. Waiting is not empty time. It's still life.
Yes. Life doesn't stop when we wait.
I saw people. I enjoy the breakfast. I felt calm.
A small delay, a big lesson.
Thank you for today.
You're welcome.
Thank you for listening. Today, we learned that waiting can be peaceful. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment and tell us, what do you do when you wait?